Hi, Roland Middleton here with Whatcom County Public Works. We're at the base of Sumas Mountain. Behind me is Swift Creek. And after years of hard work and toil and the help of the Department of Ecology, the Flood Control Zone District has started construction. What you see here is the construction of the sediment traps, as well as the beginnings of the deflection berm. This is pretty exciting for those of us that have been involved with this for about 20 years, and we're very excited about getting it going. This will greatly help with flood response down in the valley.